How to delete or remove a playlist on Spotify. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete a playlist in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do, go to Spotify. This is the homepage as you can see. Now go to your library here down, click on it, and now you will find your playlists right here. Now if you want to delete a playlist, all what you have to do is click on it and keep clicking right here, and here you go. Now click delete playlist and you will be able to delete it easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.